What's up, guys, and welcome to this week's video, week 2 of the Operation Defluff. It's time to lose some weight. So how did the first week go? Well, first of all, it is the morning. I'm in the basement, gonna do a quick fasted arm workout, and then probably gonna do my cardio later in the day because I might try to get out on the mountain bike if the rain holds off. We'll see about that, but I'll take you through a full day of eating per usual, some good, quick, and easy recipes today, show you guys all that good stuff. So woke up this morning and all I've had is some black coffee and a bunch of water. So again, I'm fasted, gonna push off my first meal till at least about noon time, which would give me 16 hours. I might go a little bit longer if I feel good, so maybe 2 o'clock, giving me 18 hours. We'll see how that goes. I'll take you along with me. So again, quick arm workout and we will get into the day. We'll get a weigh-in, we'll check and see how much weight we have lost in week 1. Again, like I said in the last video, if you haven't seen it, check it out. You know, we were at 156.2 was our starting weight, and I definitely think I lost a good amount of weight the first week, but it's mostly water weight. You know, not a lot of fat loss is going to happen right off the bat, but as long as I'm consistent with 1 pound per week, we will reach our goal of 140. All right, guys, on to the first workout. Weights are done. Going to go into a cardio workout now right after. I was gonna wait till later, like I said, go outside, but it's rainy and cold and I'm just being a wimp. So I'm gonna go on the spin bike, watch some Vikings Valhalla on Netflix, and enjoy a nice 45-minute fasted cardio workout. The weight training was pretty simple. Did some arms and shoulders. Everything was drop setted, so I would, you know, pick up the weights, some heavier weights, and get those reps in, and then put those down immediately, grabbing the lighter weights and do as many as I can until I was burnt out. So yeah, pretty simple arm and shoulders. Pretty much picked 3 exercises in each. So biceps 3 exercises and shoulders 3 exercises. Now I'm on the spin bike, and then we'll bring you on to breaking the fast. This thing is a beast. Look at this sandwich for 300 and something calories. Macros and calories down below. So good.
It's a big boy.
This guy is home with me today. He's a little croupy, tiny little sniffles, a little cold, so I'm gonna take a day off of school. Made him some chicken noodle soup. How is it?
Yum.
Such a good filling sandwich for only 300 calories, high in protein, good healthy fats. It's nice to have some bread again. On my low carb days, the keto bread has been coming in clutch for just having that normality of a regular sandwich. I love the wraps. Low carb wraps are really good as well, but hey, digging that keto bread for right now. For a quick snack, I'm going to have this 000 Oikos Greek yogurt. I like the Chobani. It's a little bit lower in carb, but this will be pretty good. I think there's like 6 or 7 net carbs. I'll log it and put the macros down below. I'm gonna have 50 grams of blueberries added to it, and then 1 scoop of whey protein to up the protein. Making a quick and easy stir fry for dinner. Just did about almost 3 pounds of chicken with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and parsley, and then the soy sauce. I'm gonna do the chicken first, put it off to the side, so kind of like a meal prep for the day. We can use that chicken on top of salads and a bunch of other stuff. Then we'll do our veggies separate. The family is doing this bird's eye stir fry, which I'm probably gonna have 1 serving of it, but it is 12 carbs per serving because there is some teriyaki and some honey and stuff in the sauce mix, but a lot of times you can just make it yourself. So I'm gonna do my own with some more veggies like peppers, onions, and red cabbage. And I'll add that to my 1 serving of that stir fry mix for dinner. Also, I did start off with heating up the pan with 1 tablespoon of olive oil to get things cooking. So this is all you get in that bird's eye thing with the sauce that has some sugar in it. It's supposedly low carb, but seriously, there's 4 servings in that entire thing. It's supposed to be 1 cup per serving. So it's definitely higher in carb. Definitely won't be eating that, but I'll make some other more voluminous, I don't know how you say it, veggies. Hey bird's eye, that is 2 cups of vegetables, not 4. Look at that. Chop up your own veggies, add some frozen broccoli. I did some soy sauce, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and some parsley. Look at how much more you get. That wok is almost full. I'll be eating that with my chicken. Now look at this. When you make it yourself, this whole giant bowl, mostly a bunch of veggies under there, and 6 ounces of chicken. How many calories do you think that whole giant bowl is? Macros down below. So before the next meal, I just wanted to quickly recap how the week went. I weighed in this morning after my fasted workouts. We weighed in at 152.2, so we dropped 4 pounds in the first week, which, again, is mostly water weight. You definitely will drop more weight the first week, and then afterwards, moving forward and looking for 1 pound per week, that will be definitely doable. But anyway, the whole week went good, keeping things high protein, low carb for the most part. I did have more carbs on Thursday. I incorporated some sweet potatoes at night with my meal, and also after my workout I had some oatmeal mixed with my protein powder and stuff like that. So that was a higher carb day. Sunday, I tracked every single day except for Sunday. Sunday was just a kind of an estimate, but we had chicken parm, I had some pasta. I didn't track, but I know I still got in a fast every single day, so I know my calories were probably still right around where they should be, maybe a little bit higher on Sunday only, but that was kind of more of a cheat meal with the pasta and everything. Saturday I did have some drinks. We had some alcohol. I tracked every single thing on that day, and I still stayed within the 1,800 calories, and hit my high protein, lower carb day even on that day. So you can do it. Definitely probably shouldn't have had as much to drink as I did, but anyway, I had a fun time. I only drank that 1 single day. So anyway, moving forward, we will keep some low carb days going on, and if I feel up to it, if I feel like I need to have some more carbs on a certain day, I'll do those around my workout and then later on in the evening. That's how I'm doing it. As long as it's whole foods and not processed garbage carbs, then we are good to go. All right, so that's how the week went. 4 pounds down. Week 1 is a success. Let's get on to the next meal. Meal number 4, made myself a little personal pizza with this pita bread as my crust. Only 7 net carbs. No sugar added, simply ragu as the sauce, 1 tablespoon. 4 turkey sausages, and then some peppers and onions that I had left over from that stir fry. Macros down below. Gonna finish off my day with some Quest protein chips, nacho cheese, and 18 grams of protein with these at only 140 calories for the whole bag. So I'm gonna enjoy these. I love a salty treat like that, like something with a good crunch. And then for dessert, I'm gonna finish off with one of these Power Crunch bars. Power Crunch bars will pack a good, I forget what it is, 13 grams of protein. So get some of these into at 215 calories per cookie. These are really good. Crisps, I think I've showed them in previous videos. So good. Get these in. Full day of eating, full macros down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, got some good tips out of it. Next weekend, we're going away, so it's gonna be fun. No children.
Aww.
We are going to New York City for our anniversary, and I'm going to try and behave on my diet.
No, I don't want you to leave.
Hey, you've already been. I said I haven't even been yet, so
I want to go with you.
I know. Well, sometime you will. But this is for Mommy and Daddy's anniversary. So we're gonna do a full weekend of good food, and I'm gonna try to stay on track as good as I can. So stay tuned for the next video. Just remember, consistency is the king, and always remember to rock and roll.